In this video, we are diving into the world of 10 most reliable budget cars you can find for under $9,900. Are you so busy that you can't spend tons of hours digging through forums for endless research? Do you think 100,000 miles means the car is done? Think again. What if you could get a used car without inheriting a nightmare? Whether you are a first-time buyer, a student, or just looking to save some money, it's crucial to find a vehicle that won't let you down. Stick around as we guide you through these 10 models. Go the distance with proof. Let's get started. Number 10. 2005 Toyota RAV4 with the price of $4,356. The 2005 Toyota RAV4 is a standout choice when it comes to reliability and practicality. In the budget SUV market, known for its durability, the RAV4 has earned a solid reputation for low maintenance costs, making it an excellent investment for budget-conscious buyers. Owners often rave about its longevity, with many vehicles still running strong well into the second decade. One of the key features of the 2005 RAV4 is its spacious interior, which comfortably accommodates families and provides ample cargo space for all your gear. Whether you are heading out for a weekend adventure or just running errands around town, this SUV offers the versatility you need. In terms of performance, the RAV4 excels in urban settings, delivering a smooth ride and impressive fuel efficiency. With its agile handling and compact size, navigating city streets is a breeze. Overall, the 2005 Toyota RAV4 combines reliability, practicality, and efficiency, making it a top contender for anyone seeking a dependable budget vehicle. Number 9. 2011 Toyota Highlander with the price of $4,983. Only a 2011 Toyota Highlander comes with a host of benefits that make it an appealing choice for families and individuals alike. One of the standout features of the Highlander is its impressive reliability and safety ratings, which provides peace of mind for drivers and passengers. Toyota's commitment to quality ensures that this SUV can handle daily commutes and long road trips with ease. The Highlander is designed with versatility in mind, offering ample cargo space and seating for up to 7 passengers. Whether you are transporting kids to school, heading out for a family vacation, or simply running errands, the Highlander adapts to your needs effortlessly. Additionally, the comfortable ride quality is complemented by a strong V6 engine that delivers robust performance. This combination of power and comfort makes the Highlander a joy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Overall, the 2011 Toyota Highlander is a reliable, spacious, and enjoyable SUV that meets the demands of modern family life. Number 8. 2007 Cadillac Escalade with the price of $5,995. The 2007 Cadillac Escalade is a prime example of luxury and performance combined, making it a standout choice in the full-size SUV market. One of its most appealing features is the opulent interior, which boasts high-quality materials, advanced technology, and spacious seating for up to 8 passengers. Whether you're commuting or embarking on a road trip, the Escalade ensures a comfortable and stylish ride. Under the hood, the Escalade is powered by a robust V8 engine that delivers impressive performance and towing capacity, making it ideal for those who need to haul trailers or boats. This powerful engine not only provides a thrilling driving experience, but also ensures that you can tackle any adventure with confidence. However, to maintain the Escalade's long-term reliability, regular maintenance is crucial. Keeping up with oil changes, tire rotations, and other service needs will help preserve its luxurious features and performance over time. Overall, the 2007 Cadillac Escalade offers a blend of luxury, power, and reliability that appeals to discerning drivers. Number 7. 2001 Honda CR-V with the price of $6,925. The 2001 Honda CR-V is widely recognized for its reliability and practicality, making it a favorite among budget-conscious drivers. Known for its longevity, this compact SUV has a reputation for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles with proper care, and its low repair costs further enhance its appeal, owners often find that routine maintenance is straightforward and affordable, contributing to the CR-V's overall value. Its compact size makes the 2001 CR-V an excellent choice for urban driving, allowing for easy maneuverability in tight spaces and hassle-free parking. Despite its small footprint, the CR-V doesn't compromise on versatility. Inside, you will find a spacious cargo area that can accommodate everything from groceries to sports equipment, making it perfect for active lifestyles. The comfortable seating ensures that both drivers and passengers enjoy a pleasant ride, whether you are commuting to work or heading out on a weekend adventure. Overall, the 2001 Honda CR-V combines reliability, practicality, and comfort, making it a smart choice for anyone seeking a dependable vehicle. Number 6. 2016 Mazda CX-5 with the price of $7,495. The 2016 Mazda CX-5 stands out in the compact SUV segment, offering a blend of modern features and impressive reliability. One of its most notable attributes is its sporty handling, which provides an engaging driving experience that rivals many sedans. Coupled with excellent fuel efficiency, the CX-5 allows you to enjoy spirited drives without frequent trips to the gas station. In terms of design, the 2016 CX-5 boasts a stylish exterior that turns heads, complemented by a high-quality interior featuring premium materials. The attention to detail in the cabin creates a refined atmosphere, making every journey enjoyable for both drivers and passengers. Safety is a top priority in the CX-5, with advanced features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control available to enhance your peace of mind on the road. Additionally, the intuitive infotainment system keeps you connected and entertained. Overall, the 2016 Mazda CX-5 combines reliability, style, and modern technology, making it a compelling choice for today's drivers. Number 5. 1988 Volvo 240 with the price of $7,990. The 1988 Volvo 240 is a classic vehicle that embodies reliability and safety, earning a well-deserved reputation over the years. Known for its robust construction and durability, the Volvo 240 has become synonymous with longevity, often lasting well beyond 150,000 miles when properly maintained. Its commitment to safety features, even for its time, has made it a trusted choice for families and individuals alike. One of the standout aspects of the 240 is its simple mechanics, which make it easy to maintain and repair. Enthusiasts appreciate the straightforward design, allowing for DIY repairs and modifications without the need for specialized tools or extensive knowledge. Additionally, the unique boxy design of the 1988 Volvo 240 has garnered a cult following among car enthusiasts who admire its distinctive aesthetic and timeless appeal. This classic model continues to be celebrated for its reliability, safety, and character, making it a beloved choice for those who appreciate vintage vehicles with a storied history. Number 4. 2015 Acura MDX with the price of $8,273. The 2015 Acura MDX is a luxury SUV that seamlessly combines comfort, performance, and reliability. One of its standout features is the spacious interior, which comfortably accommodates up to 7 passengers, making it an ideal choice for families or those who frequently traveled with friends. The high-quality materials and attention to detail create an upscale atmosphere that enhances every journey. Under the hood, the MDX is powered by a strong V6 engine that delivers impressive performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. This powerful engine ensures a smooth ride quality, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. In addition to its luxurious features, the 2015 MDX is equipped with advanced technology and safety features that prioritize driver and passenger security, with options like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a multi-angle rear-view camera. the MDX provides peace of mind on every drive. Overall, the 2015 Acura MDX stands out as a reliable and sophisticated choice for those seeking a premium SUV experience. Number 3. 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser with the price of $9,000. The 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser is renowned for its rugged reliability and exceptional off-road capabilities, making it a favorite among adventure enthusiasts. Built to withstand the toughest terrains, this SUV is equipped with a robust four-wheel drive system that allows it to tackle challenging trails and harsh weather conditions with ease. Its durability is legendary, often lasting for decades with proper maintenance, which is a testament to Toyota's engineering excellence. Inside, the Land Cruiser offers a spacious and comfortable interior, perfect for long journeys. With ample seating and generous cargo space, it accommodates families and gear effortlessly, ensuring that every trip is enjoyable. Another noteworthy aspect of the 1994 Land Cruiser is its strong reserve value, which reflects its reputation for reliability and desirability in the used car market. This model has cultivated a loyal fan base, with many owners praising its performance and longevity. Overall, the 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser remains a symbol of ruggedness and dependability, making it a timeless choice for those who seek adventure. Number 2. 2009 Nissan Xterra with the price of $9,499. The 2009 Nissan Xterra is a practical choice for those who value off-road powers and rugged design. Built with adventure in mind, the Xterra features a sturdy frame and a capable four-wheel drive system, allowing it to tackle challenging terrains with confidence. Its robust exterior not only enhances its durability, but also gives it a distinctive look that appeals to outdoor enthusiasts. Inside, the Xterra offers a spacious cargo area that is perfect for hauling gear, whether you're heading to the mountains for a weekend camping trip or simply running errands around town. The versatile interior design ensures that you can easily accommodate all your outdoor equipment, making it a reliable companion for active lifestyles. Powered by a strong V6 engine, the 2009 Xterra delivers solid performance while maintaining impressive reliability ratings. Owners often praise its longevity and low maintenance costs, making it a smart investment for those seeking a dependable vehicle. Overall, the 2009 Nissan Xterra combines practicality, reliability, and adventure-ready features, making it an excellent choice for outdoor lovers. Number 1. 1989 Toyota 4Runner with the price of $9,499. The 1989 Toyota 4Runner is a classic vehicle that exemplifies reliability and off-road capabilities, making it a beloved choice among adventure seekers. Known for its rugged durability, the 4Runner is built to handle challenging terrains from rocky trails to muddy paths, ensuring that it can tackle any outdoor adventure with ease. Inside, the 4Runner offers a spacious interior that provides ample room for families and their gear, with versatile seating configurations and a generous cargo area. It's perfect for road trips, camping excursions, or everyday errands. This practicality makes it a great option for those who need a reliable vehicle that can adapt to various lifestyles. Additionally, the 1989 4Runner has cultivated a strong community of enthusiasts who appreciate its classic appeal and timeless design. Owners often share their experiences and modifications, fostering a sense of camaraderie among fans. Overall, the 1989 Toyota 4Runner remains a symbol of reliability and adventure, making it a cherished classic in the world of SUVs. After introducing 10 most reliable budget cars under $9,900 with proof, which car caught your attention? Comment below and share your thoughts with the reason why.